Picture this. You're in 2023, and AI is not just a buzzword. It's a part of our daily lives, making things more efficient, creative, and mind-blowing than ever before. Have you ever dreamed of creating music effortlessly, turning your spoken words into written text, or even having conversations with an AI podcast host? Today, we're diving into the top 10 AI tools you absolutely must try in 2023, each with its unique capabilities and applications. Stick around to find out. SoundDraw AI. With the click of a button, SoundDraw AI can transform your composition into professional sheet music. This feature is a boon for musicians who want to collaborate with others or perform their music live with fellow musicians. But the magic doesn't stop there. It also offers integration with popular streaming platforms. You can upload your music directly to platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, or YouTube, gaining exposure to a global audience. SoundDraw AI Analytics Dashboard provides insights into how your music is performing. You can see the number of listens, likes, and shares, helping you understand your audience better and refine your future composition. Descript. Imagine you have a podcast episode filled with lengthy interviews. With Descript's innovative features, you can take your content to the next level. As Descript generates the text transcript, it also creates a visual waveform representation of the audio. This allows you to edit your podcast with unparalleled ease. You can remove filler words, cut out awkward pauses, and even rearrange segments effortlessly, all while seeing the audio waveform. The real magic happens when you want to add visuals to your podcast. Descript makes it simple to insert images, graphics, or captions directly into the podcast timeline, creating a rich and engaging multimedia experience for your listener. Once you're satisfied with your enhanced podcast, you can seamlessly export it to various platforms, reaching a broader audience with your captivating and polished content. Adobe Podcast. Adobe Podcast is a web-based audio recording and editing platform that uses AI to help creators produce high-quality podcasts. It is still in beta, but it is free to use for everyone. Adobe Podcast offers a variety of features, including AI-powered audio tools. Adobe Podcast's AI can clean up audio, remove background noise, and transcribe audio to text. This can help creators save time and produce more professional-sounding podcasts. Remote recording. Adobe Podcast allows creators to record with guests remotely, even if they have different types of microphones or internet connections. Podcast-ready sound collections. Adobe Podcast includes a library of podcast-ready sound effects, music, and outro. This can help creators create polished podcasts without having to spend a lot of time searching for and editing sound effects. Adobe Podcast is a good option for both beginner and experienced podcasters. It is easy to use and offers a variety of features that can help creators produce high-quality podcasts. Code Damn. You can type out your code or describe your coding problem in plain English, and Code Damn instantly provides you with solutions, explanations, and even code samples. It's like having a personal coding tutor who's available 24/7. As you interact with Code Damn, you're not just getting answers. You're gaining a deeper understanding of coding concepts. It's a fantastic resource for beginners who want to learn the ropes and for experienced programmers seeking quick solutions to complex problems. Over time, Code Damn becomes your coding companion, helping you sharpen your skills and tackle increasingly challenging projects with confidence. Notion AI. Imagine you're traveling to a foreign country and you don't speak the local language. Notion AI is your passport to hassle-free communication. With Notion AI, you simply speak into your device, and the AI translates your words into the local language in real time. It's like having a personal interpreter with you wherever you go. Whether you're ordering food, asking for directions, or having a heartwarming conversation with locals, Notion AI ensures that you can connect with people from different cultures effortlessly. But here's the icing on the cake. Notion AI goes beyond translation. It also offers cultural insights, local recommendations, and even suggests phrases to make your conversations more authentic and enjoyable. But hold on tight because we have 5 more remarkable AI tools to introduce, each with its unique superpowers. Futurepedia. Futurepedia analyzes vast amounts of data, social media trends, and news articles to provide you with real-time insights into emerging topics and trends. Armed with Futurepedia's insights, you can tailor your content strategy to align with what's hot and relevant. Whether you're a blogger, a marketer, or just a curious mind, Futurepedia helps you create content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. But it doesn't stop there. Futurepedia also provides performance analytics. You can see how your content is performing, which topics are gaining traction, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Resemble AI. Resemble AI is a company that develops synthetic voice cloning technology. Their platform allows users to create custom AI voices from their own speech data. Resemble AI's voices can be used for a variety of purposes, such as creating voiceovers, audiobooks, and podcasts. The company also offers a real-time audio deepfake detector to help users identify AI-generated speech. Resemble AI's technology is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. For example, Resemble AI's voices could be used to create more personalized and engaging smart assistants, or they could be used to create more realistic voiceovers for video games and movies. Synthesia. Synthesia changes the game by turning your ideas into beautiful visuals with just a few clicks. You begin by describing your concept or idea to Synthesia. It could be a logo design, a social media graphic, or just a piece of art inspired by your imagination. Synthesia's AI engine then gets to work generating digital art that matches your description. But here's where it gets even better. Synthesia allows you to fine-tune and customize the generated art to make it uniquely yours. Adjust colors, shapes, and details until you're satisfied with the final result. Once your art is complete, you can easily export it for use in various projects, whether it's for your website, social media, or personal expression. ChatGPT. You're sitting at your desk staring at that daunting blank document for your research paper. Your mind is drawing blanks and the deadline is looming. This is where ChatGPT comes to the rescue. You open up the ChatGPT interface and start typing your research topic. Instantly, ChatGPT responds with a series of questions helping you to refine your topic and consider different angles. It's like having an AI brainstorming partner that never gets tired. As you continue to chat with ChatGPT, it not only provides you with insightful ideas, but also suggests relevant citations from academic journals and articles. But that's not all. ChatGPT can even summarize your research findings and key points, making it easier for you to create an executive summary or a presentation. It's the ultimate research assistant, available 24/7 to help you conquer your academic challenges. Picture this. You wake up in the morning and your AI butler is ready to assist you. It's your all-in-one personal assistant designed to make your day smoother and more efficient. AI Butler can manage your calendar, send reminders, and even help you schedule appointments effortlessly. It's like having a reliable secretary, but without the need for coffee breaks. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. It can also handle mundane tasks like managing your emails, sorting your inbox, and generating quick responses, saving you precious time and mental energy. Need to do some research? AI Butler can quickly fetch information, summarize articles, and provide you with insights to make informed decisions. In your personal life, AI Butler can help you manage your finances, set fitness goals, and even suggest personalized recipes based on your dietary preferences. Whether you're a busy professional looking to streamline your workday or someone seeking to optimize your daily routine, AI Butler is your digital sidekick, making life more manageable and enjoyable. And there you have it, our journey through the top 10 AI tools of 2023, each offering a unique set of capabilities to enhance our lives, creativity, productivity, and more. So, what do you think of these AI tools? Which one are you most excited to try in 2023? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, click the next one shown on the screen. I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks for watching.